What if the solution to climate change was already floating in the ocean? Not giant machines, not futuristic technology, but microscopic life, ocean algae. Some scientists say algae could capture massive amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Others say the idea is oversold and full of unknown risks. So, can ocean algae really reverse climate change? Ocean algae, especially microscopic phytoplankton, already play a huge role in Earth's climate. Through photosynthesis, they absorb carbon dioxide and use sunlight to turn it into organic matter. In fact, ocean phytoplankton are responsible for roughly half of the global photosynthesis on Earth. That means they help regulate atmospheric CO2 naturally. Here's how it works. Algae absorb CO2 from the atmosphere. They grow and multiply. When they die, some of that carbon sinks into the deep ocean. This process is called the biological carbon pump. And it already removes billions of tons of carbon from surface waters each year. So, the big question becomes, could we scale this up? Some researchers propose a method called iron fertilization. In certain ocean regions, algae growth is limited by iron. Add a small amount of iron, and algae blooms can explode in size. More algae means more carbon captured, at least in theory. Early experiments show dramatic short-term blooms. But here's the controversy. The promise: algae grow quickly. They require no land. They naturally absorb CO2. The ocean is vast. Some estimates suggest large-scale enhancement could remove meaningful amounts of atmospheric carbon. But the uncertainty is just as big. Scientists still debate key questions. How much of the captured carbon actually sinks deep enough to stay out of the atmosphere long-term? Could large blooms disrupt marine ecosystems? Would oxygen levels drop as algae decay? Could it create harmful algal blooms? And perhaps most importantly, can we control such a massive biological system safely? Climate models suggest ocean fertilization might remove carbon, but likely not enough to reverse climate change on its own. Algae already help stabilize our planet every single day. The real question isn't whether they matter. The question is whether we can responsibly enhance a natural system without creating new problems.